Hi, welcome back. We are looking for the preparation of alkanes. So this is the second method, which is from alkyl halides by reduction of alkyl halides. There are four methods under alkyl halides. By reduction of alkyl halides, Wood's reaction may inter and intra bhi hoga, and then crossed Woods and Frankland's Woods. And today I'll be discussing till here, and this I'll be discussing in the next video. Okay, the reduction of alkyl halide except alkyl fluoride. So by using alkyl reducing agent, we are going to convert Rx into RH. X means halogen, except for fluorine. The reducing agents are zinc plus HCl, zinc plus CHCO overhead, zinc plus NaOH, zinc copper couple or ethanol, hydrogen or palladium, platinum or nickel, and lead phosphorus plus Hi. So this thing is also used in other functional groups also. Here I have written a mini table which summarizes this whole reduction of alkyl halides with this process. That is, when there is a reaction given and a reducing agent from any one of these, and the product will be like n plus 1 hydrogen. Okay, just add one more hydrogen when you have a reducing agent and an alkyl halide. Okay, if there are n hydrogen, just add n plus 1. I'll show you. See, CH3Cl, zinc plus HCl. Do you see zinc plus HCl? Yeah, it means this is the process of preparation of alkanes from alkyl halides. So just add one hydrogen, right? CH3H. Now add one hydrogen by removing this. That's it. Extra, it is also important, like RC double bond OH red phosphorus. As I said, red phosphorus plus hydrogen iodide is used in many other processes like carboxylic acid, and many other are used to convert into the same. Next is Woods reaction. It prepares only symmetrical alkenes. Now the catalyst used in Woods reaction is sodium in dietherol. Okay, converted to higher alkenes plus even number of carbon atoms. For example, CH3CH2Br plus sodium CH3CH2Br. Okay, in the presence of dry ether, what are you going to get? Just remove this part, and join the alkyl halide, alkyl groups. Okay, the mechanism which the Woods reaction follows is free radical mechanism. It is also explained by ionic equilibrium, the dabba which I showed the last for the last reaction. Yeah, the same. Now in the when there is sodium dry ether and alkyl halide, the product will be n square of carbon. Just in the last equation, it was n, say n plus 1 hydrogen. Now it is n carbon, say n square carbon. That's it. Now if why do you use dry ether without moisture wala condition? Okay, now let's see what happens if the condition is not dry. Now the sodium would react with the water moisture to form sodium hydroxide, and the alkyl halide would react with water to form alkanol. So we don't want this to happen. So we maintain dry condition. Next, the reactivity order is alkyl iodide, alkyl bromide, alkyl chloride, alkyl fluoride. The diagram only justifies what I just says, because electronegativity increases, it will be difficult for the halogen to remove. The same way, primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, greater than lesser, it is the least. Okay. Next, there are intramolecular and intermolecular Woods reaction. Intramolecular between two alkyl halide and within the same alkyl halide. Now, for example, CH3Cl plus Na2 Na, and Cl CH3, sodium diether C2H6. C2 just add this C2H6. Now within the molecule भी हो सकता है यहाँ का और यहाँ का मिल जाएगा. तो यहाँ पे देखिए I have written a lot of examples. Okay. Now ये निकल जाएगा और दो बन जाएंगे. ठीक है. The same way यहाँ का ऐसे हो जाएगा. And then just add this, double bond will be formed intramolecular. Now here and again double and bond. Okay. The same way ऐसा जुड़ जाएगा और यहाँ पे 1 2 3 carbon है. यहाँ 1 2 3 and a bond. So what you have to do is that the alkyl group they give. Now this is the alkyl group. Just double it. Okay. Double it and add a bond to it. This is your answer. This is your 4 marks. You don't need. Okay. Now remove this. You will be having a free radical and just add this. You will get a double bond. This is what happens in intramolecular. And ऐसा भी कर लीजिए और आपको क्यूबेन मिल जाएगा. Now crossed Woods reaction में intermolecular reaction between different alkyl halide. CH3Cl, we have sodium, and we have another kind of, like, it's not same, like here it is methyl, here it is ethyl in the presence of dry ethyl. What you might get is that the CH3 might get double CH3 or the C2H, this is CH3, it might get double C. We got butane, ethane, butane, we got methane, ethane, or else this CH3, and here we might get propane. It's like that. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.